Hi, my name is Sheila. I'm the Pelvic Floor Coordinator here at Allied Physical Therapy Wellness Community. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about our 5-ounce water glasses and how they can benefit you day to day. Water intake directly affects the functions of our bladder and bowels. Adequate hydration is required for normal bladder and bowel functions, which helps eliminate waste, but it also helps with implicated pelvic pain. These 5-ounce glasses are great reminders to drink every hour and stay hydrated on a day-to-day basis. So just remember, drink one of these glasses every hour for optimal pelvic health. Thank you.